Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's video, we will talk about the maths part of function. Like in previous videos, we have seen how to create function, right? So right now we will talk about the function, but in the maths part, and why we have learned how to create function, that DEF part, because this function that we are going to learn right now is to be used with the help of DEF. That is the only reason behind it. So in today's video we are going to understand the important topics of maths, that is function. Also related to this video we will also talk about domain range and function notation. But as I've told you, each and every topic will be explained from basic to intermediate to advanced level. So I will take one video, a topic, that is in today's video we will talk about only functions. Next video we will talk about domain and range, and the third part of the video series, this video series, we will talk about function notation, right? So that it is easy for you to understand. And yes, each and every topic will be told to you with the help of theoretical part plus practical part with the help of Python tool and Python workbench. Okay, so this is very beginner friendly video, no need to worry about. First thing first, what is function? The theoretical part, let's talk about it. What is function? Okay, this is actually the first part of the video won't be having any table for it, but no need to worry about. Whatever code I will write here, each and everything will be given to you in the comment section of this particular video, so you can just copy and paste it into your Python workbench and use it. Maybe it's Google Colab, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook, the one we are using. You can use it, no worries about it. So chalo, let's talk about the topic, that is function, and let's talk about the theoretical part. So what is function? Function is a relation between input and output, that you have already known about it. What is function actually? Theoretical part, let me write what is function. Function, I would say, is a relation between input and output. Simple. Why it is like that, we will understand it. Function is what? Is a relation between the data input and the result output. That's it. ठीक है, mainly focused on input and output, right? Means a function take a input value, does some of the operations or the code that you have already given, and give us one output. That's it. If I talk to you about the example, like if I say f of x equal to x of 2, suppose I say like this, what's the meaning of it? We have to give any value of x. ठीक है, that's it. Suppose I say f of x equal to x value equal to 2, so what will be the output in this? F of 2, I mean in place of x I write 2, and in place of place of x I will write 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So input and output, and here what's the input and output? I would say the input will be 2 and the output will be 4. Simple. This is what function means, and it is easy, no need to worry about it. So for every input there should be only one output from this equation that we have known, and this is what we call function. So, and one more thing, suppose if one input give multiple output for some reason, then that is not called a function, right? If one input, let me write it here, one note, let me write, if one input gives मल्टीपल आउटपुट, ठीक है। What's the meaning of it? It means it is not a function, ठीक है। If one input give multiple output, that means it is not a function, right? Remember this. It's very simple and easy to understand. So should we do the practical part right now? Here we have done the theoretical part, and let's do the practical part. Let's go to the Python workbench and do it. Let me execute it. Yeah, here we will create a function def f of x, ठीक है। Oops, sorry, f of x. So what will happen here? I will say you return me an output, and the output will be this. Same thing, right? Execute it. Done. And if I write something like keep print, I would say 5. In place of x, I would say 5. What will be the output? Print, why it is showing like, okay, sorry, I have to write the function name also. I'm really sorry. Yeah. If I say print function name, and inside the function name, if I give the input that is 5, here what I get in the output 7. So 5 plus 2, 7. Simple. Suppose if I write x square plus 2, let's see what we get in this. X square is what? 5 square, 25, plus 2 what? 27 here. So this is what function means, ठीक है। Practical example you have seen, and it is easy to understand. So here we have know what is function, what is the theoretical part of function, what is the practical part of function, and in case you have any doubts related to this, you can directly join my live stream, which is already available. Each and every day we do live stream on YouTube, and it is available free of cost. No need to take membership to ask doubts or question or join the live stream. You can freely join the live stream and ask me doubt anytime, anywhere, and I will be personally there to help you out by sharing the screen, sharing the whiteboard, and also related to any topics from SQL, Python, or Power BI. I am there to help you out. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. And if you know someone who is learning or planning to do a transition from non-technical domain to technical domain and want to explore the maths part, then please share this video to them. It would be really helpful. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.